Hello there. Just received a box in the mail and thought I would. I'm not a big fan of unboxing videos, but if I understand correctly, this contains the new 50 ml Slumberhouse bottle, which I'm very curious about in a number of ways. So I haven't opened it yet. Thought I would sort of share this experience. I do actually miss that there are not boxes anymore. I thought the boxes were a nice touch, but let's see, this is tied, so let me untie this. And I do believe this marks the return, yes, of the black cap, but it's a different cap I see from the old one. Wonder if they fit each other. Oh. Kind of. I think that may have pushed the sprayer down so it doesn't. The diameter of the cap is correct, but I'm not sure that would be a good choice. So to do that, so let's see which way this goes. So this is Mond. And this is the reason I wanted to share it. I was really hoping that this bottle had a nice palm feel, and it does. Like, it feels really nice in the hand, which is what I was hoping the experience of this would be. And this particular scent, I think in a 50 ml format, it makes a lot of sense. I'm not clear, to be honest, whether there will continue to be 30 ml formats, because I think 30 ml also makes sense for some of the stronger things. I can't imagine having this much Sova, for example, or that anybody would ever need that. But so there's a way maybe to give a sense of the weight. You know, it's a really solid, like, you know, this is very, I think this is Slumberhouse worthy. Very glad to see this. I think having a mix of these and these would be great, but I'm not clear if that's the plan. It might just all be this going forward. I think that would be fine either way. One thing I kind of noticed when I was picking this up, I guess they're just going to continue to come in pouches like this, but it sort of hangs in a certain way that maybe maybe men might identify more readily than women, which isn't. I always think it's funny when bottles kind of mimic anatomy. I mean, the bottle itself does not. It's obviously just very plain, but that was my first impression pulling it out in the sack. So yeah, I mean, I think this is a step forward for Slumberhouse. I do actually love this bottle. I love how chunky it is on the bottom. Really good weight, really good hand feel. And I've already used a lot of my 30 ml bottle of Mond, so this just makes, I think, a lot more sense. So good things on the horizon.